Hello student, welcome back to VPMP Polytechnic YouTube channel again. I'm Shweta Patel, lecturer in a computer department at VPMP Polytechnic. Today my topic is param tag in applet programming, and it is again a part of unit 1 and the unit name is Java applet. The main objective of our session are introduction of param tag. That means why we use the param tag in a applet. Then the syntax of param tag and the example of param tag. This is the most IMP question for the GTU exam. Now, first of all, we discuss about what is the param tag and why we use the param tag in a applet. Param tag is also known as passing parameter to a applet tag. Param tag is used to supply user-defined parameter to applet. Or we can say that the param tag element is used to provide command line argument to a Java applet, and which is embedded in a document file with the applet tag element. In short, we can say that passing a parameter to an applet using a param tag, it is a similar to passing a parameter to the main method using the command line argument. Parameters are passed to an applet when the applet is loaded. That means when the applet is initialized, when the applet is born in its life cycle, this parameter are passed to an applet. And for that we can define init method in applet to get the value of the parameters which are defined in a param tag. We can also use the paint method for the same. Now we discuss about how to pass this param tag parameter to a applet. For that, to pass and handle the parameter, we follow the two steps. The first step is that first of all we have to create the appropriate param tag and we have to add this param tag into a HTML file. And the second one is that to create the applet code to Java code to pass these parameters to get these parameters. And for that, we use get parameter method to get the value of the parameter which are declared in a param tag. And the get parameter method have a one string argument as a parameter and which is representing the name of the program. Now, each param tag have two attributes. The first attribute is name and the second attribute is value. For example, the first attribute name is color, then the value of color is red. Let's see the syntax of param tag. Param tag have a main two attributes, name and value. Name is a nothing but it is the name of attributes, or we can say that name of the variables, and same as the value which is the value of the variables or the value of attributes. Param tags are compulsory declared within the opening of applet and the closing of applet tag. Let's see the example of param tag in an applet programming. For that, I have already created one Java file which have a class param demo, and which file contain applet code as well as packages and as well as paint method. Now, this applet code contains three mandatory attributes like a code, width and height. Now, first of all, we add the param tag in applet tag, and for that we write here param, then two attributes, that is the name. Suppose I want to specify the college name in a, I want to display the college name in a applet viewer. So I write here the variable name as a college and the value of the college is VPMP. Now I want to use this VPMP value into my applet program. And for that I declare here one variable and the variable name is str, and its data type is a string. Now, using the get parameter method, we get the value of college here. The get parameter method have a one parameter and the parameter value types is string. Now, I want to display the value of this college name into a applet viewer too. For that, I write here g dot draw string method. That means I use here draw string method, which is display, which will display the name of str, the value of str in an applet viewer screen with the x and y coordinates. Now, first of all, we save this program and now we run this program using the CMD. For that, we open the CMD, set the directory path of the file. I said first of all the directory path of the file. Then using a JavaC compiler, first of all we run this program, which will create dot class file of our program. There is a no error in our program. So directly using a applet viewer, we get the final output of our program. See here, this is the applet viewer, and in this applet viewer, at the position of at the x coordination of 100 and the y coordination of 100, it will display VPMP. So this is a simple example of param tag in a applet program. Hope now you are clear about how to create a param tag and how to declare a param tag and how to use this param tag in an applet program. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.